Hey, first through third grade volunteers, this is Keegan. I want to tell you about a huge change that is going to be coming to your environment, and that is the curriculum. The curriculum is going to be changing. It's going to be like unlike anything you've ever seen or witnessed before. It's going to be awesome. This starts January 7th and 8th, so this upcoming weekend, it's coming. It's going to be here really soon. You're going to have more time with your kids at the table, which means you'll have more responsibility, and therefore, you're going to be able to have a greater impact on the kids in your group. Something that's really important that you need to know is you need to prepare by reading the lesson, not just one time, but multiple times, and also by watching this video that we're going to send out every week that tells you what you need to know about the upcoming weekend. Social and circle group time. Now, you don't know what this is yet, but social time is the first 5 minutes before service starts and the first 10 minutes into service. So 15 minutes total at the very beginning of service, where you're going to be able to introduce the kids at your table. They're going to get to know each other by doing an activity, talking about some questions, and so that's a really fun thing to do to get them started off right off the bat. And then circle group time. Now, you know what this is. This is your discussion time and your prayer time. We're calling it something different. It's circle group time. So in this, you're going to have 3 different activities. I'm going to tell you about those in a second, and also prayer. So let's jump into this week, January 7th and 8th. It's coming soon. Let's talk about social time. Social time, like I said, first 15 minutes into service, you have an activity called Best Friend versus Famous Person, where the kids are going to write down something they know about their best friend and something they know about a famous person. And so you're going to interact in that way. Your circle group time, you're going to have 3 activities. Number 1 is Gifts for a King. Now, with our new curriculum change, there's something you need to know about circle group time. There is going to be one activity that is the most important. So if you're only able to do 1 or maybe 2 activities, this is the main one you need to make sure that you do. So for this week, it's Gifts for a King, the very first activity. Number 2 is called a game called What Is It? It's an activity. And number 3 is an activity called Illuminated Words. So those are your 3 activities for circle group time. Be able to read through those in your lesson, and then you have prayer after those activities. 25 minutes total for circle group time. So you're going to have tons of time to be able to talk with your group. Now, what you say and what you do, that is something you really need to know. The lesson, if you read it, it will tell you exactly what you need to say to your group during those activities. And then what you do, it tells you the activity pages that you need to get, your pencils and your crayons, and it tells you exactly what you need. Now, this is a big change, so you want to make sure you read the lesson multiple times. It's definitely going to help you out. Understand what you say and what you do, and it's going to be a little crazy off the bat. I know that, but I know we're going to be able to do a great job, and this is going to be an awesome start to the year 2017, and I know we're going to have an even greater impact on the lives of our kids. I'm excited, and I hope you are. Let's go.